Yeah, this is the owl, and it's the size of a credit card. I'll turn it around so you can see it. It has a recessed razor blade.
So totally safe, you can't cut yourself.
Totally safe. And what does all the work to break the window is a stainless steel disc. It's aircraft grade stainless steel, but with a tungsten carbide tip that's not sharp.
Okay, so let's go ahead and show that tungsten carbide tip in action.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. This is all set up.
Yes.
In your car, what you would do is take it off of your visor, and you're supposed to have it 8 to 10 inches away from you all times.
Right.
EMTs have said that.
Right.
Take it from the visor, you cut your seat belt, and you put it up in the window channel. And all window channels in all passenger vehicles are 25 millimeters, or about an inch. So you put it up in the window channel.
Yep.
If your window's down a little bit, you would put it on the side.
Okay.
You put it in until it stops, and I will demonstrate that for you.
Let's go ahead and do it.
It's just 2 fingers, and that's the beauty of this, and it does all the work for you. Put your fingers under the card, pull back. Are you ready?
Go for it. Out.
And it breaks. All the energy goes out.
No swinging anything. The glass goes out the window, so no cutting your hands, no worrying about a big, heavy, loud tool. And did you hear what James said? EMTs, they tell you you need something that's within a couple of inches of you. This has sticky tape on the back of its silicone holder, so it is exactly where you want, no matter how bad that crash is. You stick this to your visor, and you have the personal safety guarantee that you need.